A suspect well known to police, nicknamed Tuggy, was the established leader of a sophisticated group of high-level drug and weapons dealers operating across the Greater Toronto Area in 2013. The widespread network, members of traditional organized crime and former members of the Hells Angels motorcycle gang, was running dozens of serious criminal operations that included robberies, shootings, home invasions, drug rip-offs, and prostitution, in addition to the trafficking of guns and ammunition across the GTA and southern Ontario. Officers in guns and gangs units of several police services, including members of the York Regional Police Guns and Gangs Enforcement Unit, had been working for months to build a solid case against Tuggy and his group. As the gang's operations crossed municipal borders, investigators worked closely with Provincial Weapons Enforcement Unit and entered into a joint forces operation aimed at dismantling this group. By March 2013, the Joint Forces operation, dubbed Project Tugboat, after the suspect they hoped to be snared, began an intense 60-day period gathering further intelligence about the gang's activities and movements. Investigators identified additional suspects and collected enough evidence to obtain more than a dozen search warrants they hoped would result in criminal charges. On March 26, 2014, more than a year after the investigation began, 16 pre-dawn raids were executed in York, Durham, Peel, Toronto, and Hamilton. Officers with Provincial Weapons Enforcement Unit, the Durham Regional Police Service, the Toronto Police Service, and the Hamilton Police Services assisted with the warrant entries and the arrests of the accused. 15 gang members were arrested and faced numerous charges, including possession of cocaine for the purpose of trafficking, weapons trafficking, possession of prohibited firearms, and conspiracy to commit an indictable offense. Officers seized 5 handguns, 4 rifles, and 3 shotguns, along with 13.6 kilos of cocaine, 8.5 pounds of opium, 341 grams of marijuana, and more than $87,000 in cash. The fight against large-scale trafficking of guns and drugs in York Region and across the GTA is a constant challenge for municipal police services. Only by pooling resources and working closely with neighboring services under the umbrella of the Provincial Weapons Enforcement Unit can police successfully tackle the sophisticated organized crime groups behind these serious offenses.